The old smooth scarlet fever of Sydenham, the more recent purples, whooping cough, croup, psychosis, and autumnal dysenteries. By means of the specifically aiding homeopathy remedies, even acute pleurisy and typhus contagious epidemics must now allow themselves to be speedily turned into health by a few small doses of rightly selected homeopathy medicine. Whence, then, this less favorable, this unfavorable result of continued treatment of non venereal chronic diseases even by homeopathy? What was the reason of the thousands of unsuccessful endeavors to heal the other diseases of a chronic nature so that lasting health might result?